Marble is a metamorphic rock treasured for its elegance that decorates countless homes and buildings. But before marble earns its place as a refined architectural feature, it must go through an extreme makeover process. In this video, we're lifting the veil on marble manufacturing to show how raw boulders fresh from the earth get ground, carved and polished into gleaming works of art. How does a rough, raw stone transform into such a smooth and beautiful slab? And what dangerous processes are involved in harvesting marble from the quarrying the raw stone? First, we have to get that stone out of the ground. Marble deposits are found within abundant limestone reserves located in quarries across the globe. These quarries can exist on expansive mountain terrain or deep underground caverns. Extracting the stone is an immense challenge, requiring heavy machinery like channeling machines to carve networks of cuts and tunnels, or wire saws to slice large blocks directly from quarry walls. Controlled detonation of explosives also dislodges stone fragments. Subsequent sorting and filtering produces the premium rough stone destined to become marble. Initial cutting and stamping. At the manufacturing facility, these raw boulders weighing numerous tons are still quite far from showcasing marble's grandeur. They first must be cut into more portable slabs using gang saws or wire saws. Gang saws utilize parallel steel blades to slice through stone, while wire saws continuously feed a wire lined with diamond abrasive to grind through the rock. After emerging from initial cutting, the rough marble slabs have a dull matte appearance and uneven shape. You can still see remnants of the natural quarry rock before intensive polishing transforms the surface. The cut slabs move via conveyor belts or forklifts to undergo additional sorting and marking before grinding. This prep work entails inspecting for deep cracks that weaken structural integrity or staining that penetrates deep within the stone. Problem slabs get trimmed into smaller sections or relegated for non-decorative use. Additional novelty comes from stamping each slab with a unique lot number, almost like giving them an ID to track through the arduous processes ahead. Grinding and polishing. Now the slabs go through various grinding and polishing processes which reveal their latent shine and patterns. Grinding wears down surfaces through friction, usually via spinning metal discs embedded with abrasive silicon carbide or diamond particles. It levels and smooths the texture left from initial cutting into a more refined appearance. Polishing uses finer and finer abrasive pads to fill microscopic holes on the slab's outermost layer. This makes marble more impervious to staining and heightens light reflection for added luster. Various mechanical arms pressure and rotate the abrasive pads over the entire stone surface, section by section. With prolonged polishing, the marble acquires its signature sleek and glassy finish, prized for resonant color patterns and depth, color enhancement, and upgrades. The most premium marble slabs get singled out for special treatments to further enrich color and designs. One method pushes specialized dyes deep into the stone through injection under high pressure. The dyes spread into tiny fissures in the marble, producing dramatic veining with intensified pigments. Another technique bakes slabs at high heat, enabling organic minerals in the marble to develop richer golden, gray, or black tones. Top-grade slabs may even get both enhancements, grading and cutting before leaving the fabrication plant. The marble goes through final sorting and sizing. Experts assign grades depending on aesthetic characteristics like color variation and pattern consistency. The most uniform and vividly patterned pieces become prized Grade A slabs. Lesser grades have more pronounced flaws, but get recycled for smaller products like tiles or aggregates. Finally, computer numeric control machines cut the enhanced and graded slabs into diverse shapes, dimensions, and edge profiles. Intricate designs require customized programming to carve details like curves or angled edges. Sections with excessive cracking or pitting simply get trimmed off. The finishing department organizes all cut marble pieces and any unused scraps for shipping and installation. Installing with finesse. Of course, seamlessly fitting marble elements into bathrooms, fireplaces, or as opulent entryways is its own art form. But before offering that smooth and pristine aesthetic to homes and buildings, marble takes an odyssey from explosive excavation to abrasive refinement methods. Only through intense grinding, polishing, and cutting does marble progress from fractured bedrock into a canvas for stunning artistic expression. So next time marble catches your eye, recall the transformative process enabling its splendor and allure. If you want to see more shocking footage of real marble quarries and manufacturing plants, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep uncovering the origin stories behind your everyday stones and metals. Thanks for watching.